Why do need to peoples train their butt? Because a strong butt means strong knees. I think the answer is mostly to look good. So you either want less fat on your hips or you want to make their flat buttocks more round and full. But in fact, the benefits of butt training are far more than these. We can also say that the harm of weak gluteus is far beyond our imagination. As we sit for long durations when we study and work, our gluteus is used less and less. This not only leads to more fat storage on our butts but also brings a lot of health problems due to the deterioration of gluteus function. The key point is that when we suffer from these problems, we may not even think that these problems are caused by weak gluteus muscles. Weak gluteal muscles cannot provide good stability to the lower limb bones. So the hip, knee, and ankle joint alignment is abnormal, therefore resulting in X-leg, O-leg, saddlebags or knee hyperextension, and other leg problems. The second problem is lower back pain. Because of the gluteus weakness, the pelvis and sacroiliac joint becomes less stable. Also, the human body will use erector spinae and latissimus dorsi to compensate, resulting in back pain. The third problem, posture problems. The gluteus is located in the central part of the body. If it is weak, it will easily lead to anterior pelvic tilt moving up, which will cause ribs eversion and then go up, causing the neck muscle group compensation, resulting in trapezius swelling and shoulder neck pain. And the final reason, it will lead to weight gain. Because the more muscle you have, the more calories you can burn. Gluteal muscles are the largest muscle group in the human body and their deterioration directly reduces our basal metabolic rate. Alright, today I will share with you a set of butt training that I have been doing with good results. Alright? Ready? So let's get started.
Let's go!
Stop.
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 Let's go! Let's go.
Stop.
Let's go.
Stop.
Let's go.
Stop.
Let's go.
Stop.